Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to register, verify and trade for and have a chance to win my $600 giveaway. Yes, I'm going to be giving out $200 to 3 lucky winners. So what you need to do is to watch the video to the very end and follow all the steps as I'm going to be explaining as we proceed right now. So watch the video to the very end and I'm going to be selecting 3 persons randomly, that's going to do exactly what I'm teaching in this video, and I'm going to be giving them $200 each to three persons. That's $600 giveaway on this video. So guys, we're going to go to my screen right now and get this video started so I can guide you exactly what you need to do. But before that, my name is Gerald and I do videos around making money online. So what I do basically is that I try stuff out and find out what works, and I come right here and show you exactly what I did, hoping that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, I want to encourage you right now to smash the like button. It's very important, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button, because what that bell button does is that when I drop awesome videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube will send you a notification. And feel free to go through my channel. There's a whole lot of other awesome videos that's going to actually help you make real money online, guys. Now, this is a warning, guys. As an unfortunate individual who's going to create YouTube account and try to impersonate me, and he will give you a phone number to say you should contact him on WhatsApp. He'll try to trick you into giving him your money, thinking that giving the money to me. Now be careful, that is not me, guys. That is not me. So that said, let's go to my screen right now and let me show you FBS and how you can register on FBS, how you can create an account on FBS, how you can verify this account and start trading forex. Let's go to my screen and get the video started, guys. Just in case you're wondering how credible FBS is, now this is Leicester City officials official website, and if you come right here, you're going to see that Leicester City actually wears FBS right on their shirt, and this is because Leicester City signed a new agreement with FBS as its principal club partner. This is why Leicester City actually wears FBS on their shirt, right? So I'm going to be leaving the link to this article in the box below. And if you need further proof, this is FC Barcelona's official website, fcbarcelona.com, and you're going to see that FBS is the official trading partner of FC Barcelona. If you scroll further down, you're going to see that it says FC Barcelona and FBS signed new global partnership agreement. A broker specializing in online trading becomes club's official trading partner for 4 years through 2024. So this begins to give you an idea of how credible this website is. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this article in the box below. So just click on it and you can go through this article if you want, right? So the first thing you need to do is to click on the first in the box below. Once you click on that link, right, once you click on that link, it's going to take you straight to FBS. Now it's important for you to use that link, right, to qualify for the $200 that I'm going to be giving away to 3 random persons in this video, which means I'm going to be giving out $600, like I already said, to 3 persons, $200 each. And you need to use the link in the box below. You need to use that link for you to qualify to actually win that $200 I'm going to be giving away in this video. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website, and what you need to do is to come to open account. That's the first thing you need to do. Click on open account, and this interface is going to open. It says FBS personal area trader registration. So let's go ahead and register, create an account, verify the account and set it up properly, guys. Before I'll tell you exactly what you need to do to qualify for the $200 giveaway that I'm going to be giving to 3 different persons. So I'm going to put in my email address right here. Then I'm going to put in my full name here, which is this. So I'm going to hit register as trader. That's what you need to do, register as trader. So this is loading, and I'm going to select the particular email that I'm using, which is this one. If it's not logging, it's going to prompt you to log in. So I'm going to select this email, which is the one that I want to use to open this. So this is loading, give it a while. Okay, so it has prompted me to proceed, but I'm going to hit proceed. All right, so this is loading, give it a while. Okay, so it says loading account. Beautiful, right? This is it, the personal area it has opened for us. This is how interesting this is. So of course, MetaVision, this is MetaFi, this is latest, right? USD, you're going to leave it where it is, and fixed rate, and I'm going to hit open account. All right, so the account is being opened right here, right now, and this is it right here. So this is our password. All right, so I can edit this password right now. So let me edit this password. So current password, this is it right here. New password, you're going to choose a password for yourself. So I'm going to choose this password. So I'm going to hit change password. So I have my own password right now. So it has changed to my own password. All right, so I can close this and go to back to registration. All right, so this is your MT5 login. This is the password. So you're going to copy this and keep it safe. right? Because this is what you're going to be using to log into MT5. Right, so it says we're going to proceed to personal area here now. Okay, so we've added money. Now what I'm going to be doing right now is to verify my phone number. See, our email has been confirmed, right? I'm going to confirm my phone number right now, so watch me do this. It's important for you to watch the video to the very end. Let me say this again, right? If you are interested in winning in winning my $20 giveaway, which I'm going to be giving to 3 different persons in this video, so I'm just going to come here and hit confirm to confirm my phone number. So I'm going to put my phone number right here, and click on send SMS. An SMS is going to be sent to my phone, and once it comes, I'm going to put the code right here. So I'm waiting for that SMS to arrive. So the code just came into my phone now, and it's 18919. I'm going to hit confirm. Right, okay, beautiful. It says phone number is verified. So profile settings, we need to verify one more thing, which is our ID verification, right? If you go to dashboard, you're going to see it here. This is it right here. So email has been confirmed, phone number has been confirmed, and the next thing is our identity. We need to also confirm, or should I say verify this also. So I'm going to hit on this, right? Your full name, you're going to put in your full name right here. So I'm going to put in my middle name here. So I'm going to put in my passport number here. And I'm also going to put in my date of birth right here. Then I'm going to put a picture of my ID, my passport, my international passport. I'm going to send a picture, to them right here, and click on send request for the verification process, to begin. So I'm going to put in my passport number, your ID/passport number. I'm going to put my passport number, so which is this. I'm going to put my date of birth. You must be 18 and above. So I'm going to choose my date of birth. I'm going to click here. Then the next thing is to upload ID/passport photo. So I'm going to select this and find where I have my international passport. And mind you guys, you can only upload a JPEG, a PNG, a BMP, or PDF format. So I'm going to select this. Okay, so this is uploading. Okay, it's uploaded. So I'm going to hit send request, and the request is going to be sent for verification, right? And you're going to wait for so it says your documents are received. It will take some time, several hours to check them. We will send the results of your profile verification to your email address, right? So let's go back to profile settings, and we are done with everything that we set out to do, because you wanted to register an account and verify, and also deposit money into our account, right? That's what we set out to do, and we've done all of that. So let's go back to dashboard. Go back to dashboard. You're going to see that this is pending right now. So once they're done with this, they're going to send you an email, your email address, telling us whether it was successful or not. And if it's not successful, they're going to tell us the next thing to do, right? So if you're on a Windows computer, you need to download this, right? Because this is what you need to start trading right now, and we already funded our account. If you're on iOS, you can do this from your phone. You can click here to download, or you are more on Android. This is exactly where you need to go to. I can click on more to see other options: web trader, multi-terminal, and Mac OS, right? If you're on a Mac PC, this is where you need to go, right? So that's exactly how these things work. We have 2 options: deposit funds and proceed to personal area. So I want to deposit funds first. This is very important, so watch exactly what I'm doing in this video. So I'm just going to hit on deposit funds, right? So it says these are all the ways that you can actually make payments on this platform. So for those of you for us right now, I'm going to close this. Okay, so right now we can use your Visa or MasterCard. You can use your local banks of Nigeria. You can use Barter, which is a card issued by Flutterwave. You can do that with Bitcoin, with everything right here. You can actually use any of these platforms. There is even online Naira, which you can use. And so I'm going to choose any of these, but I prefer to actually use Bitcoin, right? Because I want to transfer Bitcoin. Or you can use electronic payment, which is here. You can use local banks in Nigeria, which is net banking. You can use bank cards, right? Or you can use exchanges like online Naira. So I want to use one of these electronic payments, so I'm just going to use Bitcoin. But one of the things that you need to do to qualify for my $200 giveaway is to deposit $50 into your FBS trading account, right? So we're going to come here right now. You're going to watch me put $50 into this from my Bitcoin wallet. So you can use any of those other platforms, actually. So I'm just going to come here and go to my wallet, right? This is my Bitcoin wallet address, right? So I'm going to transfer $50 into this right now. So I use Trust Wallet. If you want to know how to create a Bitcoin wallet account, there's a video showing up right here that's going to show you exactly how to do it, right? I use Trust Wallet for my Bitcoin account. So I'm going to log into my Trust Wallet on my phone and transfer $50
into this into FBS right now. You're going to watch me do that, guys.
So I'm on my phone right now, and this is Trust Wallet right here. This is what I use, right? So I'm going to select it, tap on it, it's opening. So I'm going to use my fingerprint to log in. You can use your password, whatever. And right here I have $235 in my Bitcoin wallet, right? So what I'm going to be doing right now is to click on send, which is this place right now. I'm going to click on send, which is here. I click on send, and it says, okay, it's loading. I'm going to select Bitcoin. That's what I want to send. I select Bitcoin. Now, recipient address, which is the address you're seeing on my laptop right now. That's what I need to put here. But if you copy this one by one, it's going to take a while, and you might actually make a mistake. So what I'm going to do on my laptop, I'm going to select the QR code, right? And on this place, I'm going to tap this little icon here, so I can scan this QR code. What's going to happen is that it's going to get the Bitcoin wallet address automatically. So I'm going to tap this, right? It says trying to scan, so I'm going to position this to scan, right? So it has gotten, if you look at this place, you see that the number is here now automatically. Let's go to wallet address. You're going to see that it's the same number that we have here. That is what is showing up right here, exactly the same thing. So I'm going to come here. Amount I want to transfer 50 BTC, $50 worth of Bitcoin. I'm going to go to Google and find out how much 50 USD to BTC. Enter, right? So it says it's 0.0091 Bitcoin. Then I'm going to put the amount of Bitcoin that I actually want to send, which is 0.00092, right? So it's showing here that it tantamount to $50.73. So remember that you need to deposit at least $50 for you to qualify for my $200 giveaway. So I'm just going to hit continue. This is it right here, continue, right? So I hit continue, and this is loading. So the transfer is happening right now. So it says assets. This is what I'm transferring. This, which is equal to this, right? I'm transferring Bitcoin, multi-coin wallet, blah blah blah. This is what I'm transferring to. The Bitcoin wallet address I'm transferring it to, right? And this is network fee. The amount they're charging me for this transfer is $1.32, and total of everything, which includes this and this, is $52, right? That's what I'm going to be charged. So I'm going to hit confirm at the bottom of my screen. So I hit confirm, and I'm going to verify with my fingerprint. That's how I set it on my phone. This is the transfer that I just made right now, right? So it's still pending. Let me click on it. So it says pending, right? Once this is complete, right, this money is going to be inside my FBS trading platform. That's exactly how to do it.
Just did $50, right? And right here we have 0.00. So once this transaction is complete, our money is going to come right here, and we can start using it to trade. So guys, this is it right here. It's showing that the money is here, right? It's showing less than we actually put in, maybe because of the currency forex variations and stuff, right? So make sure you put in maybe like $60, right? So you can get exactly $50 some dollars right here, so you can trade with it. You can actually deposit more if you want. Just come here and deposit, add more money. So guys, right now I'm going to be telling you guys exactly what you need to do to qualify for my the $200 I'm going to be giving to 3 different persons, right? So the first thing you need to do is to do exactly what you saw me do in this video, right? You click on the link box below, set up an account. It's important for you to use that link, right? Because if you don't use the link, you are not going to be qualified to win my $600, to be part of winners for my $600 giveaway. So you need to click on that link to set up an account. After you set up an account, you need to deposit $50 into your account, right? This is very important, and verify your account all the way. After you've done that, my Instagram handle is showing on your screen right now. Send me your email address via my DM on Instagram, right? Send it to me. I'm going to verify. After verification, I'm going to choose 3 persons randomly and give $200 to these 3 individuals. It's very, very, very important that you do exactly what I've asked you to do in this video for a chance to win the $200 for 3 different persons. That's $600 in this video, guys. So that's it, guys. Until I see my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from you guys.